What's going on, good people? Welcome back to Cook It Up with Chris. So today, we're going to be smoking a leg of lamb. Let's get this started. So first, we're going to get it out this bloody packaging. Then we'll bring it back to the operating table. Alright, and we're back. So, this twine that's on here, I'm going to try to leave it alone because the compression of the meat, keeping it in the twine, gives you a more even cook across. So it came in a package like that, so I'm going to leave it instead of trying to cut it off. I'm also going to leave that skin on because it helps to seal some of the juices in. So I'm going to keep that on as well. I'm going to start with some garlic cloves. Need you some medium-sized cloves. I would say about 8 of them. I don't know why I hit it twice with my hand. It's just a habit of mine. Alright, so we got our garlic smashed and peeled. And now we're going to need about a half of an onion. And now we're going to cut this into about 8 pieces as well. Probably won't get that much. Alright, so now at this point, we're going to start our surgery. So we're going to start stabbing our leg, making some slits throughout. I'm going to start with taking out garlic. We're going to stuff them in those holes we just made. So with these smaller ones like this, you can squeeze like 2 of them in the hole. With onions. Actually not going to place as many. I didn't have to do that, but let me wash my hands and come back. So lamb is great with a bunch of garlic flavor. It doesn't take as much onion flavor, so that's why I didn't put as much onion in. But we need a bunch of garlic flavor. So then we're gonna hit it with the M9 dry rub seasoning. And we're gonna be generous with it. Get it covered. We're gonna pat it in. And this one leg of lamb took almost this whole bottle. That's why we have a bigger bottle coming. So I have one in here. Yep. So now they'll be sold in this size bottle. And now the leg is ready. We're gonna let it rest here and absorb them flavors while we wait on the grill to get ready. All right, we out here. Now it's about 5:30 a.m. We got our, you see all this smoke we got going? We're gonna go ahead and take this leg of lamb. Let's see where we're gonna place it. We're gonna place it about right here towards the front. That's because we got them big flames. If the flames die, I'll move it further back, but for now, that's a good place. It's gonna take a while. We'll come check on it every now and then. Alright, so we about an hour in. It's got a good cook, good shrinkage going on already. Leave that baby keep going though. So we're almost 2 hours in. Look at the shrinkage on that thing. Them onions was down in there, and now they up there. Keep it moving. We are gonna go ahead and rotate. Well, all right. So at 2 hours in, we are gonna go ahead and rotate this baby over. Ooh, look at that. All that goodness left behind. I decided to get some, put it back. All right, just gonna shift this baby over to the corner because we got some friends joining the party. All right, so let's check on our leg of lamb now. And we're looking for a little medium well, so we're looking for like a 155 temp. Let's get that probe down in there. We're only at, so we're at 130, still got some time to go. All right. We at about 3 hours, 45 minutes or so. Let's temp our lamb. So 140, you got a nice rare going on, but we're trying to get a 155 to get that, we get a little medium well going. Finally, after about 5.5 hours, it's finally done. All right, now we'll take this baby in the house and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before we slice it up. All right, so let's cut into this lamb. Pulling our leg of lamb over. Little juices over in there. There was plenty of juices on the bottom of that grill. Let's get this mesh off. Oh, it smells so good. So sorry y'all can't smell it. One day they'll invent that smell-o-vision. That was a crispy onion. Crust is delicious. But y'all here for the cook, so let's start this. Nice bits. Eventually we'll get to where we can get some good slices. He wanted to come off. He wanted to talk to me. Let's see what we taste him like. That is delicious. Smoky, sweet on the dry rub. Oh yeah. I'm in here. That's delicious. I'll enjoy that.